Hello friends. Welcome back my YouTube channel. Let's make today's recipe, Rava Phirni and sweet recipe. Turn on the gas stove and put a pan in it. Add 1 tablespoon ghee. Fry cashew nuts and raisins. Remove the fried cashew and raisins from the pan. Add 2 cups of milk to the same ghee. Add 1 teaspoon cardamom powder. Add a ½ cup sugar. Mix well. Boil the milk. Add the rava, little by little, to the boiling milk. Please support me. Make this recipe and let me know your opinion in the comments. When the milk thickness, put it on a plate. Cut after it cools. Simple recipe and sweet recipe. Like the recipe if you like it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.